Hello. I've been meaning to do a video about this, but this is a Chicago Electric chain grinder. And it's much less money than other chain grinders. You can adjust the device there, so it will take several different chains, like your skip tooth and your full complement and full house. It has a adjustment here so you can adjust it while it's on the tooth. That there moves the vise, and that there adjusts your tooth depth so you can grind your chains easier. I was given this for Christmas, and I had never run a chain grinder before, and this came from Harbor Freight, and it's made by Chicago. And I would grind a chain for you, but I only have 8 chains here, and I've ground them all, so no use of grinding them twice. But for $35 out of Harbor Freight, and that was just before Christmas, so I don't know what they go now. They only come with this grinding wheel here. And it does 3/8 by 50 chain, but I'm more than certain you can get different wheels for it, do different styles of chains. And it's pretty apparent, you can't see it too good there, but this part will come off and you can change the wheel. So what they got, 404 or 58. The only thing about this, I don't know if you can see that too good, but it only goes to 35 degrees. So I don't know what very little square ground I have. I have hand filed that at 45 degrees, so you're gonna have to get something better than this to do a square ground, I think, because 35 is all it goes. Pretty sure square ground chain is 45 degrees. There's 3 45-degree angles you have to do that at, and I've only got one square ground chain, and so I've always had to do it by hand. But yeah, if you're just a has-been woodcutter like I am and just cut your own wood, I'm gonna say $35 for this is quite a buy. If you're young and trying to open a saw shop and going to be grinding other people's chains, I'm going to say you're going to want to spend the $400 to get one from a logging supply company, and because you'll more likely be using it every day, certain times of the year. But yeah, for what Curly Bill has to do, this is more than enough grinder here, and I'm more than happy with it, and I'm very happy I got it for Christmas. So Happy New Year, everybody.